Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for the question. I just wanted to start with a bit of background, Mr. Speaker, sir. First of all, I would like to express my appreciation to the Honourable Prime Minister and the People's Coalition Government for the revised remuneration package that pre-primary kindergarten teacher will receive from pay 17 of 2025. And given the significant humble beginning of ECE in 1940s, as the honourable member may be aware of, few centres been established with expatriates spouses in Suva. We now have 875 ECE centres serving around over 18,300 students nationwide, with over 1,423 ECE teachers. Since 2023, Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Education has recruited an additional 170 ECE teachers around Fiji. So it is also important to acknowledge the journey of the ECE teachers, as already alluded to yesterday by the honourable member. In 2012, ECE teachers were paid as little as $300 per week, equivalent to per term, equivalent to $21.42 per week. Despite this, they continue to serve with passion, commitment, and resilience. And many of the ECE teachers, Mr. Speaker, sir, they continue to serve even without the fair remuneration, because they are driven by a sense of calling to the noble profession on the early education. And these teachers accommodate the expenses for their families with these big amounts. Mr. Speaker, sir, we continue to have ongoing reforms in the ECE sectors. As I mentioned yesterday, the pre-primary policy handbook and also the implementation of full-day program for the holistic development of a child. These reforms are part of the long-term plan to professionalize and elevate the status of pre-primary education in Fiji. Sir, to answer the question, all classroom and assistant pre-primary teachers are remunerated based on their qualifications, which is according to the Ministry of Education remuneration policies, which has been revised over the years in accordance with bands D, E, and F. Specific salary steps within this band differ depending on their experience and the results of their job test and interview process, OMRS, and the appointment status. So the qualification level and corresponding salary bands are as follows. Teachers with certificate in ECE are placed under band D, as the honourable member would be fully aware of as a former Director HR of Ministry of Education. And teachers with a diploma in ECE fall under band E. Teachers who hold a bachelor in ECE are classified under band F. Based on the current payroll records, ECE teachers are distributed across the following bands and steps. Band F, step 1, 2 ECE teachers. Band F, step 3, 104 teachers. Band E, 658 teachers. Band D, 659 teachers, according to the qualification, indeed, as I've alluded to earlier. And this brings the total number of ECE teachers currently in service to 1,422. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.